Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today I have here a model kit which is a non-mecha model or non-robotic kind of model kit which came from the company Aoshima. And this is from the anime which was directed by Hayao Miyazaki from 1978. And it's a Japanese post-apocalyptic science fiction anime that was depicted from Alexander's Key's novel from 1970s, The Incredible Tide. And this is none other than the future boy Conan. And I have here the 172 scale Falco. So this is the flying Falco, and it's a plane, it's a seaplane. So this is not a traditional mecha kit like the Gundams or the from Kotobukiya, Bandai, and Bordoroid mecha models. So this is your Aoshima Falco. So let's check this out and let's see what's inside. The box art of this kit is very simple. I really like the simplicity of the design and the appearance. It only shows here a picture from the anime, and there it's the flying Falco taking off from the sea, having taken from the sea, and then there's this Japanese explanations or text here which I cannot read. Of course, I cannot read Japanese. And there's the title of the anime, and this is a 172 scale from Aoshima. The side of the box we can see there's this brief introduction from what's this anime is all about. So you can read it here. Future Boy Conan. It's an anime marked Hayao Miyazaki directorial debut. Yep, and it was broadcast on April 4, 1978. Okay, so I already mentioned that this is from The Incredible Tide by Alexander Key, and it's a post-apocalyptic genre of the world, something like that, or post-apocalyptic anime genre. Okay, so the other side of the box we can see the usual Aoshima designs for boxes where they got this different languages for as a caution, and the colors, and the address, the Aoshima Bunka Kyozai. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, which is very simple. There are guidelines written in Japanese, English, French, and German, and also for Chinese. Okay, so the kit is not so complicated, which is very nice. You can see there are pilot figures, then there's the cockpit station, the hull, and the wings, the propeller, and that's it. That's how this kit will be assembled. Very easy. A beginner friendly kit as well, and we got this windows for the cockpit. Okay, then there are guns and the action base stand. So simple. So let's go to the package. We got here yellow runners, green runners, and this blue runner for the pilot figures. There are 3 pilots or 3 crews for this plane, and these are the parts: the hull and the wing, and another set for the wing. By the way, this model kit, this is not a war machine at first, as I research about this model kit. This is not a war machine, and this is the only airplane left from the story that survived the disaster. As far as I researched that, it's the only plane in the series that survived. And eventually they put some arms and weaponries to make it as a war machine, like that. Then we got here clear pieces for the windows, and this one for the cockpit visor. And we got this action base stand, which is very nice. We got this screws here, and polycap, clear polycap there. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And we got this chunky wing runner, which comes in yellow color, and this is your runner. Where's the runner name? I cannot see it. Oh yeah, I think this is the runner C. And another runner which has the wing parts, the runner B. So this is the runner C and runner B. Big chunky parts. And then for the hull, we got this runner A. So this is very small. The runner names or the runner code is very small. You can see it there. Yep. The camera cannot focus, but there, it's very tiny. Yep, that one, runner A. And this consists of this hull and the small yellow parts there, so be careful when cutting those. And we got blue parts for the pilot figures or the crew figure. So we got 3 of this. It's my first time to see 3 pilot figure in one vehicle. And there we got some parts for the wings, and this one for the action base stand and propeller. This is runner E. And for the yellow, for the green parts, we got the runner D here. And there are so many tiny parts included here, and I think we will use some glue on attaching these things. And finally, we got these clear pieces here for the windows. Then we got this action base stand, which I didn't open yet because I'm planning to use a different action base stand on this kit, or maybe I'll just hang it on the ceiling, on my ceiling. Okay, so thank you for watching this unboxing of the Aoshima Flying Falco from the anime Future Boy Conan. See you next time. Till then. And there's the finished product. So we got here the flying boat Falco from the Future Boy Conan, and it's really nice. The kit is lightweight. The yellow here is yellow orange shade, but I don't know if it's the same in this camera, but it looks like mango, to be honest. It looks like food to me. I feel hungry because it looks mango. So the feature of this kit is, well, you got this windows here with some guns there. So these guns are really small, so be careful when cutting this from the spruce. And sorry, camera shaking. So the pilot figures there, you need to put glue on their asses so they can sit on the chairs, the pilot cockpit. And there they're holding these guns there, these machine guns. And there's a hatch here also where you can open this, but unfortunately I will not open because this keeps on messing up. Yep. I don't like to try, but you can open this. If you open this, you will see the interior of the ship. And this is what I don't like. I really messed on this part here. I put so much glue that the glue evaporated and created this white misting on the plastic, which is common when you use super glue. So I really messed that with this. So I cannot remove this already, or I cannot remove this to clean because this is fixed already, and I cannot clean this. So I decided, or I just think that this is just part of the weathering, the fog, this foggy effect on the window or the cockpit. And there we got the main pilot. So we got 3 pilots or 3 crews for this ship, 2 gunners and 1 main pilot. And he even also have this gun there. So he got a Gatling gun on the back, and he got small guns on the front. And be very careful when placing this because this is really small. Let me zoom. This is really small, as you can see. So all the parts you can see here are to be fixed with glue, with super glue, except for this one. This is the rudder there. Okay, it will serve as your rudder. So I don't like to play with this much because it will keep on, it will be more loose from time to time you're playing this, and it might fall off. And there we got some glued part there for the exhaust. And this propeller here is a bit tight, not fun to play. Cannot do this thing like that, and this will keep on spinning, so it can't. It's really tight. And there's an option if you want to use this green vents there, but for me I like to use the green vents just to break the full yellow color of this kit, because it should be yellow, to be honest, but I did not choose yellow because it would make the kit more mango, which I don't like. And the flaps here you can pull it down. For example, this kit will make a landing, so you need to flap this, and this will be a bit realistic on the planes part. So, for example, he's going down the sea. Can flap it down. Okay, and when he's flying, can insert it again inside the wing. So it's a mechanical realism for this kit. Okay. Yep. So the length of this kit is about, let's check. So the wingspan, so it's about 25 centimeters there. Okay, so it's about 25 centimeters. So it even beat the height of a regular master grade from its wingspan, and it's about the height of this cassowary here, which is also 25 centimeters until the tip of the horn there. So they're about the same height. Actually, it even towers the cassowary, so it's about 25.5 or almost 26. Okay. So the length of the wingspan. So this kit is, for me, it's a boring kit because it's an easy or a quick build kit, and you need to use glue out of this Aoshima kit. But if you're a fan of flying Falco or the future boy Conan, this is a must kit for you, and can be a cool deviation from Gunplas. If you're too fed up with Gunplas and you like something new and something unique, you can you may do so. You may buy this kit, and I really like the kit. It looks cute, and it can break the break my all robot mech display, and it's fun that there will be a different kit aside from all mecha kit. There's this flying plane inside your mecha box. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, and thank you for watching this review and unboxing of Flying Boat Falco from Aoshima. Till then, peace done.